So hi there, welcome again to my channel, and I want to officially welcome you to this very community. So my name is Uhunoma Evans, and in this channel is all about business, influence, and impact. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to stay connected to this community, because this channel is all about exclusive and mind-blowing content that will take your business and your finance to the next level. This video was a cropped out video from an original video which is called the top 6 online business you can start in 2022. The best 6 online business you can start in 2022. You can check the description down, or you check the cards behind this video or after this video to watch this video. Okay, so this video talk about the top 6 and the best 6 online business you can start today and make a lot of money for yourself. So this video is a cropped out video on that video. So this business happened to be one of the best business model in that video, so I have to crop this video out so that it can be easy for people to locate and understand what this business is all about. I believe you found value from this content. I believe this video explains everything you have to know about this business model. All right, with that said, please let's jump into this video and see you right back. So the first online business I'll be talking about is freelancing. So what is freelancing? Freelancing simply means using your skills or your time to get job done for people, but not as an employee. So you have skills or you have time, and there are other businesses and individuals who need your skills, service, and time. They hire you for that period of time temporarily. You help them get the work done and you get paid. So 90% of people making money online today started as a freelancer. I started as a freelancer. So this is the best place to start from for every beginner. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to be popular. You don't need to run ads. All you need is to create the time to sell your service and your skill. So you can be a freelancer as a visual assistant, as a graphic designer, as a copywriter, as a web designer, as a video editor, as a voiceover artist, as a whiteboard animation artist, and you can also be a web developer. Now, the language of freelancing is skills. There are several freelancing platforms out there you can get started with. All you have to do is to sign up, optimize your profile, set up your gig. Companies and individuals who need your service will come and hire you, and when they hire you, you get the work done for them and they pay you in dollars. So the best part of freelancing is that you get paid in dollars, and every 4 seconds someone gets paid as a freelancer. Signing up as a freelancer is 100% free, guys. So, and they will never ever ask you to pay any money. So all you have to do is just to get the work done. Just make money. That's the language. So the good thing about freelancing is everybody has equal chance to succeed and make thousands of dollars for themselves. So there are several freelancing platforms out there. We have Upwork.com, we have Freelancer.com, we have TaraWorks, that's a Nigeria based, we have Kworks, we have Fiverr.com, and we also have GoWork.com. Right? When it comes to making money online, it starts here. Everybody making money online today majorly starts here, because it doesn't require or it doesn't involve you spending any money. Let me know in the comment section if freelancing is what you are considering to start up with. So thanks for watching this video. I believe this video was an eye-opener for you and you learned something valuable. Alright, so if you want to get the full content on the 6 best online business you can start here in 2022 and make a lot of money for yourself, please check the description down or check the card behind this video and watch the full video on the best 6 online business you can start today in 2022. Thanks for watching again, and my name is Uhunoma Evans. Subscribe to this channel to stay glued, because great and mind-blowing content will be coming your way very soon, and which you don't want to miss out. Subscribe and stay connected to this community, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.